Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence refers to intelligence created by humans and given to machines. In other words, artificial intelligence makes machines as smart as humans.
Artificially intelligent devices.
There are many devices or gadgets made by human beings which have artificial intelligence for different purposes. Let us have a look at a few examples.
AI toy. Aibo is an artificial dog with artificial intelligence. It can do many things that a dog can do. For example, it can bark like a dog, play with toys, listen to your commands, and identify different people. AI machines in factories. Artificially intelligent machines used in factories are capable of lifting, moving, and packing objects just like human beings.